Hey guys, answering your questions. You asked, hey, I've got a 2014 Arctic Cat 550 XT. It eats gas at first, but after slowing down your RPMs, the engine starts to misfire, and it has the code AC14. What can I do? The code AC14 is your TPS, your throttle precision sensor, and the AC means that it's an active code. So I would check that your TPS is set correctly, and then make sure to resync your EFI system after adjusting the TPS. Run it again and see if that fixes it. You can find out how to set the TPS in this video up here. Whole procedure, how to do that. And if it's not that, I would also check that your spark plug is gapped correctly, has a good connection from the coil wire. You can just pull the little boot off the coil wire and see if the wires in there are frayed or not. And then just trim it back about 1/8 inch to get a better connection. Plug that back in your boot, stick it back on and go. If that doesn't fix it, just try a new plug, make sure it's gapped correctly. Often that will fix it as well. Another little tip would be just to check your battery terminals, make sure that they are tight as well. Sometimes that will throw that little issue out at you, just not running right and kind of misfiring. Hope this video helps you out. Be sure to subscribe, follow along. If you have any more questions, be sure to leave them down below. I'll try to answer them as best I can, and see you guys in the next video.